Zelo,
Zela,
Zela,
Kashwaidon,
Peswado,
Che.
Jack.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hi guys, ka channel ak lo lom le vek chawa voin chu khai kanu in lo in ready vikla ni ka lo honga I kan try na tur chicken ya surprise tur dia enge ni po ka shi chang lawa. My mother-in-law asked me to get ready and she says she have some place to take me, so I'm not sure what a surprise it will be. I'm so excited, so I'm gonna wash my face.
Before I met you, everything was black and white. Now it's so different. Now it seems alright. Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color.
My I just finished washing my face. I'm gonna get ready for tonight. I supposed to shower, but since we are shower, I'm not gonna shower because in the night we're gonna do a jacuzzi. So if you wanna do jacuzzi, you don't wanna shower before you do jacuzzi. So you wanna shower after.
Jacuzzi don't really hit on him. Jacuzzi thì nghe làm bihar sat ka tem jacuzzi.
Love is a rainbow, rainbow. Rainbow is a smile of sky. Love is a rainbow, rainbow. Your love makes me feel so fine. Love, love, you bring it out to my life. Love, love. Oh, let the love shine. Oh, let the love shine. Let the love shine. Let the love,
kapot ngai lo om hinya arei to pakane nei kum thung len to he ti hian pa chon lai han kan on ta ni chu he ti hian ti kan anna lo ni anna ko battery mangan ya mo ka do lai te ha te hang ka pe ni ka do hun nga ngai sak do huna mu cheu ka do se ka ron ti mi chu pom buk pel chu ka kher lo tik tak se cho ai sha do mun ma ti do ne ai sha do po kai loi hi ma se kan mu ve do buk cheu se ka lo nei man to ka ti lo tuk lo me ma se ka nar bul ve tang ka chalin kar ka ti na nar te ka mit le ka mit mul in kar itlem ka ti thina chan lai te po mo he ti e theng kha be mo heng chu tui ti hu pe ni lo ne wa he ma silangai ve lo chunga han he hon the a ti fai the kan hum te ang kham mo he ka ti to ho chu fai em hi muan he lampang he kan ti le ai sha do ka lo noi to mo khami be han tin lo ta ta khan ni me thatop cha khar le top kha ti fai reng po khangai lawa voi ni ve voi thum bel man ka chan ti fai ve ka chu thata chan brush khanin brush fai ve le me chu tang kai ve loi lawa ma khan ai ve ka mo travel to atau lawin ka sha dollar som ni ve
avai ti lo han ti han a hek lo ni choi po hi de rei du to ti han hi ai te chaw ka ti thin ta ma se ka man rei to ni han ka mi ka thel tro hi anh ngái mẹ là ngồi sai sẽ shape champagne đâu không mẹ đâu chú tiếngเขา makeup บางทีเราทุกคนนะมันใส่กันหนูนับไปหมดไปกับ makeup อาจารย์ครีมเลยกับลิปสติกที่เขาให้ไปหมดเลยให้กันทุกสมัยหลังตรงจานนี้อันหนึ่งคือมีเซอร์ไพรส์สำคัญก็มีไหนที่คุณเจออย่างจานให้ตัวจานติกันคือติว่าดมให้ทั้งลำน่าจะจางทั้งลำแล้วตกปนจังเราใช่mình sập về box rồi nè mình sập về box rồi nè ôi tụi nghe phải chờ lâu từ về má của bạn lâu về cho nên cái chú riêng tuy khi còn ai quên một tóc tàn chú thì lâu đào nó nậu cái này ta thì tối nay mình lâu ta cho nên cái máy cái chế mình cho yêu em xem cho hiện tại bộ hiện tổ mà sẽ chung ai cho nên cái khác thì cái mà ha kinh tế lại vì là còn phi đến độ ông cái đồ và hành tiền phần tiền hành tiền cạp chính tay cho theo đấy ha cho riêng tuy đến đó ha cái này phải tiền cạp thế giờ hiện một thế này cho nên cái còn phi lâu viết nên cho riêng tuy lâu hay riêng tuy lâu rồi còn hoặc là lâu thấy tóc tàn chính chân cho nên trang này hiện nay lâuกัน brown ค่ะlâu cái skin color ค่ะlâu brown แล้วตกจะอาจจะจงลำบังแต่ค่ะคันนี้คันไปคันหน่อยรู้ตัวเราคัน brush ที่คันตาคันติดตบตาใช่ไหมสมนัตตัวหลังค่ะมั้งmakeup cho cầm hông thảm lâu nè mà sẽ mình lâu phật thì mấy là mình lâu ngủ lâu để sặc mấy rau ui ha nãy đây mì bốc ra nó không sạch đấy cái là cái sạch được lấy lần lùm mel to cái thạc lệ thì don t-shirt pa ngay ka hale miang lùm mel me kanu lo thing chep to a lùm lo to ka vain thạc lệ to pa he kanu chu lo thing mun le o ka rang do ko su mo ka zu chu kang o he kurva ka va top mo chan hey ring top ta ni chu lian nek nukin a chwal nuk meng o na nai lo ho to mo I don't know where she's gonna take me. Let's check it out. I suspect something, but I'm not sure if I'm right or wrong.
No, you'll never guess it.
Can I guess?
Sure, you won't guess it.
Are you gonna take me a place where we may wanna do photo shoot?
Nope.
Okay, then the rest I don't have any guess. Okay, maybe she's gonna adopt. Maybe she's gonna adopt baby for me. Okay, we'll find out, right?
Yep.
Kalme kahi Nana here min shudu box ilawa. Nana is not telling me where she's gonna take, so I think it's honeycomb. I don't know. Mom, tell me. No honeycomb or
No honeycomb.
No,
we're gonna get that later. We'll do.
But I like surprise. My husband don't like surprise, but I like surprise. So.
Tori knows what we're doing.
Oh my lord, he say I don't know. I
Yeah,
don't know. He's like stop pushing me because he's Tapakasok na sa tol to.
Behave.
Kakal na hitsugan in trang tuan laveto hop mea Nana soiro Mom say
I'm gonna take you to jail.
Say zela ka shwai don je. Zela ka shwai don.
Kaswado.
Je. I'm gonna take you to jail.
Yep.
Prison.
There's the jail right back there.
Oh my god. Nana, are you gonna make me convicted?
Look, all the fields are down.
Hey, mana vai mi na hauvel ka. Ablaw anlaw dal sa fekto mo diyan. Vurin diyan na rong kule don ni nakina. Vurtla kuna kan lap mule don niya. When the snow came, we'll saw them again, you know.
Yeah.
Everyone said they miss you so much. Maybe one weekend, you, me, Daddy, all of us, can we do hi to them and do live? They asked, and maybe we can wear a new T-shirt together.
There you go.
Hey, Nana, yes, you guys are my witness. Ale, kalaw lang le. Toyang will be back soon. I can't wait, Mom. I'm gonna pee in my pants. Like, I'm excited, but I don't know what's that. Like, I know something I really like because I know you remember.
Something fall.
Wait, I haven't even tried on, Mom. Oh, they have so many pumpkin and
Yeah, we're gonna walk around
Uncle,
and look at them all.
Yeah. Oh, mom, you freak me out. Oh, they have a lot. Are we allowed to see for free?
Yeah.
Thank you for taking me though. Let's check it out, okay?
Yep. Let's go.
Pumpkin hay an ni chun decorate the vai mim. Nen.
Aren't they neat?
Yeah. Look at the sky. Oh my god, so beautiful.
And we get a little wagon, and that's where we put our pumpkins in.
Here, mom. Let me take the view. Which one?
Yep, that one right there.
I think I should sit here and then you Okay. It's a good.
All right, we're gonna come over here.
It's funny. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Is it real pumpkin?
Yeah, those are pumpkins and gourds. These are gourds. These are gourds. These are pumpkins.
What? I'm gonna take those. Hey, pangpar na lutok. These are beautiful. Hey, Nana. Oh, those are like Ashley, the red one. This is we're saying too. Very noisy. Hey, bye. What's that?
It's a card.
What do you do?
You write down the price of the bin wherever you get it. You write how many and at the price, because every bin has a different price.
Oh, so they were gonna write the price?
We do. Like if we pick pumpkins from here,
Kanorbok mo eh.
if we pick pumpkins from here, those are all $3.
So, oh, they have the price there?
Yeah.
Also, you have to write whatever you pick up.
Uh-huh.
Oh, they trust you that much, huh?
Yep. Well, they're gonna see it when we bring it in anyway. But isn't it cool?
Yeah, it's so cool here. At chakop may sang tikan aman kaum veka hey pakati hey mai. But they cannot eat this one.
Those are called grizzly bear. You can eat any of the pumpkins. Something bite you?
Yeah. So hey $5 ka lang nita,
Yeah,
right?
they're
This one's
called grizzly
$5.
bear
Yeah.
pumpkins.
Ay ming kan lepiang khata hianin.
Yeah.
Kan lepiang khat han kan siak zel don ni chu kan siak na so ta bil total khamo ti han. Atrakop men ti dan hi. So the sol tam me kan ti zel. Kay hey kan nor le ngai book sia mo. I was telling them. Okay. Look. Hey Valian via. Hey, this one is really big though, right? Look. Alian top hey. Indu kalau ti hey le plang ti ka lau se dim ti
And
ting
those are Cinderella pumpkins.
Cinderella pumpkin.
Someone really picked those pumpkins.
I know, right? There's only 2 left. Which one you like though?
For carving, you want those there.
Oh. Okay. I need to. Oh, the big one. Hey, kan panin na kinakang carving tour niya kan le.
Yeah, you're gonna want. These are the ones we usually use right here.
They're so expensive.
Or those, well, not really, but
$9?
they're pretty
19?
good. No, $9.50.
Hey,
these are
dollar
$8.50.
quality pakati dollar quality 50 to
These
$10
are
ang
$8.50
India
here.
John. Pum khathi India in $9.50 is in India. Pum khathi India paisa chuan in zali zanga vel ni chu to khle me 500 rupees in India.
Okay. Do you see pumpkins you want to carve?
I never did it, so I don't know.
This one here's a nice one for carving.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, they're heavy. And that's $8.50. Pumpkins. $8.50. And we'll get 2. And then let's get Tori.
You want me to choose here?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't want to break the stem off.
I know that's a wow.
Okay.
Do they have to stand? They don't want to move. I think I did the right thing wearing shoe though. Even though I don't know where we're going. Cái cần là tụi sẽ lâu na phải khóc cũng cả lâu bu na phụ khóc mày mà sẽ var bê được. This is like a real surprise.
These are all squash you can eat.
Oh, pumpkin like a.
These are
Mom, is this pumpkin too?
yeah, they're like spaghetti squash,
Ah,
like these.
mai sang anh hiểu.
These are spaghetti squash.
Dollar ni te dollar thum te te how. Hey, amane ang lawa. Hey, cái ni mai mu ve. We have a similar this kind. This
Yeah,
color.
you bake
at
these.
home.
What
Yeah,
we do
bake
is we
and
cut them in half and we cook them face down.
Hey, nor ngay box ya join camera phone ka du box ay sang tam me. Ni chu. So like post to sang. Later I'll take picture now just on the video.
Yeah, go ahead and take pictures if you want.
No, I want you to click for me. But we'll pick up first whatever we pick up.
You can pick a pile of things to sit by and take your picture by them.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking. No pangin fiam na te, Oma.
There, you can sit right here on the rock. Get
Yeah.
that guy in it.
People he mai mặc chi thôi nè. Cho hết tâm people he mặc tất cả. Mà lại là run lọc nó. Cái nor tu. What about this kind of pumpkin? What flat white?
Yeah, they're flat. They're a base to make a foundation like that.
Oh.
See how they stack them?
Let me show them. Tu na var kan hu so lai mo. Kan sun mai ni oh.
You can go over there.
So lai mi a var so ta hey until that mai hawan tun dan na mang turang kanya. Ti sang ni chu mai an ka ti mai sang. Hey. Anwam khop mai. Very nice though.
Okay, you ready to go in or you
Yeah.
want to still take pictures?
No.
You can take a picture by that thing that
Yeah.
all pumpkins on it.
Yeah. Shall I leave here?
Yeah, you can. We'll leave it right up there.
Yeah. Here?
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, so the cute look
What I got.
here. Cutie. I know. Here, Shimshimin, Ahmain, Kapasal Naini, Pang Park and order. Mom, this is the place where we went and order my flour.
Okay, so we sure did.
Hey, Mom, they have straw. They have straw, big one, no? Like Tori, you know?
Yeah.
But he don't want those. Hey, kilan na yun, they have all the cute stuff. Cute
yeah.
stuff.
I have some of those at home. Corn out and the squirrels
Hey, Indian
ate it all.
corn, no TV. Mom, for what? To grow or?
No, it's for decoration.
Uy,
You tie it in a bundle and the squirrels
That's
come up and
crazy.
eat it.
Vai mi mấy po dihan in China and mangchi. Cái núi dễ, sao phô chú thiêu hình ngay lúc thiam dihan ăn chay ni, chú mua lâu thì về rồi uo nang ni po. I was telling. How do you want me to arrange though?
It doesn't matter. Just put them in.
Oh, so big.
Yeah,
Time
you
for
can.
dinner, guys. Like this.
Yeah, you can just put them in there.
Okay. I didn't know when we did that one. Mom, the one I chose was not really it.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's okay.
Yep.
It's not for eating, right? I'm gonna make a mess with your phone. Okay, Mom. Shall I prepare this one?
Yep.
Hey, thank you, Mom. Look,
You got dirt.
I know. should I do?
I got
What
towels
type
in
of
the car. No, it's mud.
No,
You can shut it off. It's mud.
it's okay.
I got a mask. You can wipe it on.
That's a great surprise, Mom.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Hey, kan ho pa tang oh. So, try my outskirt daw niya. Oh, that's very nice. Thank you so much, Nana,
You're
for
welcome.
taking me there. And hopefully there's another surprise like this.
There are. We
Yeah.
got a few coming.
Yeah, so now we're gonna say bye for now, okay? We'll see you next video, okay?
Bye.
Get ready to see Nana in the weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.